brother's birthday. Woo!
These are the ingredients you'll need. Butter, molasses, salt, pie crust, egg, vanilla, sour milk, flour, sugar, cinnamon, and baking soda.
First thing we're gonna do is put the sugar, salt, and butter in the bowl and chop it. Now add half a cup of the mixed ingredients. Now put the rest of the stuff in the bowl. This is gonna take forever.
Eggs.
Now mix together. Now pour it in the pan. And now sprinkle the spruce on.
Now preheat the oven to 350. Bake for 30 minutes.
Now for my favorite part, the taste test!
And that's pretty good.
Like, subscribe, and join us next time to make banana bread.